American.
Make us a cup of tea.
Standard British.
Make us a cup of tea.
Devonshire.
Oh, make us a cup of tea.
German.
Could you make us a cup of tea?
Scottish.
Make us a cup of tea, please.
Geordie.
Can you make us a cup of tea?
Brummie.
Could you make us a cup of tea?
Yorkshire.
Oh, make us a cup of tea, love.
Scouse.
Make us a cup of tea.
Irish.
Oh, could you make us a cup of tea?
Russian.
Make us a cup of tea.
Cockney.
Babes, could you make us a cup of tea?
South African.
Could you make us a cup of tea?
Northern Irish.
Could you make us a cup of tea?
New Zealand.
Could you make us a cup of tea?
British RP.
Please, would you make us a cup of tea?
New York.
Hey, make us a cup of tea.
Australian.
Could you please make us a cup of tea?
Welsh.
Could you make us a cup of tea?
French.
Could you make us a cup of tea?
Southern.
Hi there, could you make me a cup of tea?
Jamaican.
Make us a cup of tea.
West Country.
Could you make us a cup of tea?
Spanish.
Could you make us a cup of tea?
Canadian.
Hey, could you make us a cup of tea?
Dutch.
Hey, could you make us a cup of tea?